Are you trying to enter one of the most popular investment markets in the world? In today's video, I am going to talk to you about how to form an LLC for your real estate investment business. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm an attorney here at Mulai Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without dealing with the complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 2,420 five-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. Before I start talking about how to form an LLC, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification. Taking those actions truly helps our channel grow, which allows more entrepreneurs who are trying to obtain more information find our channel page. So you probably clicked on this video because you are currently seeking out more information as to how to form an LLC for your real estate business. As I mentioned in the very beginning of this video, the real estate market is one of the most lucrative markets for investment purposes. However, don't let the lucrativeness blind you from the realities. While real estate investments do result in positive results, positive profits, and positive investments, you do have to keep in mind that real estate investors are exposing themselves to risk. In fact, these type of risks may be risks that the investor never even knew existed. Forming an LLC can be one of the most pivotal points of protection for a real estate investor. LLCs safeguard you from outside interference. So what is an LLC and why should you form one? One of the major reasons why real estate investors choose to form an LLC is because an LLC shields them from any potential lawsuits. Additionally, an LLC will protect your personal assets such as your bank account, investment funds, your house, your car, etc. Now, in addition to that personal liability protection, one other benefit is the tax benefits that investors receive as a result of forming an LLC, as well as the ability to expand upon their current business plans. If you see yourself starting real estate as a side gig, but eventually you have the vision where you want to be able to turn it into a full-time position, a full-time job, then you may want to consider forming an LLC in the very beginning so you can expand and grow into the company. Forming an LLC for your real estate business is one of the best ways to keep things as simple as possible. And what I mean by as simple as possible is if you were to start as a sole proprietorship, which means you do your business, you do your real estate transactions all under your personal name, eventually, if you decide that you want to be able to open up an LLC, you would have to backtrack and you would have to start from the very beginning. And so again, it is best if you see yourself expanding in this business real estate world to start off by forming an LLC from the get-go. Forming an LLC for your real estate business is not difficult. All it takes is research and organization. Now I'm going to talk about the 6 steps to form an LLC for your real estate business, but do keep in mind that these steps may differ depending on the state that you live in. The first step you are going to want to do is you are going to want to research your state's regulations on forming an LLC for real estate investment purposes. The second step you are going to want to take is you are going to want to make sure that your company name is available. So you're going to want to search your company name on the Secretary of State website to determine whether or not your company name is available to use. Once you've confirmed that your name is available to use for your company, the third step will then be to file the articles of organization. Now that you have filed everything with the Secretary of State and they are in the process of registering your company, the fourth step you are going to want to take is you're going to want to create a custom modified operating agreement. Basically, the operating agreement is a list of obligations as owner of the company. It also lists and displays how much percentage you own in the company. And it also provides instruction as to how your company will be organized and operated. Now, not all states require this fifth step, But if you live in a state that requires you to publish an intent to the public, you are going to want to make sure you take that fifth step. Again, this does not apply to all states. And the sixth step you are going to want to take is you're going to want to apply for business license that are required in the county where you hold your property. In addition to business licenses, you are going to also want to consider whether or not there are required permits. And of course, you are going to want to apply for your EIN number, which is going to be your business tax ID number. And so those are the 6 steps to form an LLC for your real estate investment business. If you happen to have any questions about anything that I talked about in today's video, if you would like to learn more about how to form an LLC for a real estate investment business, make sure you click the link in the description box below to book your free call with a professional who can provide you with more information to help you understand how to form an LLC for your real estate business. If you happen to enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise. If you would like to learn more about LLCs, DBAs, sole proprietorships, corporations, make sure you click on one of these videos here.